Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to be looking at the S&P 500, and whilst there has been some short red candles over the last few days, we are still trading in a bullish channel. My name is Russell Shaw. I'm a senior market specialist at FXCM, and today is the 10th of June. Just going to go ahead and bring up our disclaimers, and we'll start off with the high risk investment warning. Okay, and here is our market commentaries disclaimer. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, this is the daily chart for the S&P 500. You can see that the candlesticks are trading in what we call zone 1, the upper zone between the upper blue and the upper red. That's the bullish area. As long as we stay in the bullish area, we'll be underlying bias to the upside. In fact, if you take a look at the RSI is above 50, and the longer it holds above 50, the greater the chances that we'll see higher prices ahead. Now, we did see some volatility come in last week, particularly we saw with non-farm payrolls that came in much hotter than expected, and that introduced this spinning top of here. What we can see is there has been support. We've pointed this out in a previous video that's held. Then we had this swing low that came in, really confirmed last Wednesday with this big blue candle moving up into zone 1. But since then we've been moving sideways. The fact of the matter is that there is a growth scare coming in. Is growth slowing or not? However, the fact of the matter is the artificial intelligence narrative is very much supporting the stock market. And of course, there is still a likelihood that we'll get rate cuts later in the year. The question is, are we going to get 2? Are we going to get 1? It's at a fine balance right now. The fact that growth is starting to slow and that there is some pressures coming in terms of the labor data, well, that perhaps suggests that there's going to be 2 cuts. But what we'll do is we'll wait. We'll wait for the CPI data on Wednesday. We'll see if that comes in hotter than expected. If it does, maybe that pushes us over just to the 1 cut, maybe in December. We'll keep an eye on that. Wednesday night, beg your pardon, Wednesday at 6 p.m. GMT. Just bear in mind, there's going to be a FOMC rate announcement. We'll keep rates where they are, but then half hour after that, we'll get the press conference. We'll get some more information from the press conference. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much, and look forward to presenting the next one.